Hey everybody, it's NC Floor Guys. Today I'm going to show you how to do a repair on a leaky roof. Now you can see in these pictures that this whole wall had water damage. Water had come in through the roof, ran down the wall, and basically ruined this whole side of this room. And you can see it goes all the way from one side to the other. The restoration guys came in and just cut a straight line right across the old hardwood floors. And you can see the old subfloor is a combination of the original 1x6 and also some plywood along that edge. So there may have already been previous water damage, but someone patched it with plywood. We're just going to go right over top of all of that. Now, what makes this repair so difficult is that it runs perpendicular to the way the flooring runs. So there's nowhere for us to make a clean line. So we've got to lace in, also called finger joining, the new material with the existing material. Then we got to sand it all and stain it and finish it to match. Now the way we're going to do that is to cut away and stagger back all of these boards all the way across the floor. And you can see here I've gone along and marked each individual board with a little black X. Those are all the boards I'm going to remove. Next, you take your skill saw and you make 2 cuts down the middle of each one of those boards, very close together. Now these boards are only 2 1/4 inches wide, so you're going to need to make both of those cuts kind of close together, but far enough away from the edge that you don't accidentally cut something you're not supposed to. What this will do, it will allow you to easily lift up the piece in the middle and then carefully wedge out the 2 pieces left over, the piece in the front and the piece in the back. And this is what it looks like when you remove all of that material, and then go ahead and sweep it and vac it and get it nice and clean in there. And if you need to, scrape off some of the old dirt and gunk that's maybe stuck on the tongue groove, and go ahead and remove the old moisture barrier that was underneath as well, because we're not going to need that. After you've got your area cleaned and prepped, what we're going to do now is cut flooring pieces to length, and then we're going to tap them into the slots that we left in the flooring. And we'll use the face nailer if we can't get the flooring nailer to it, and when we're out in the field and we've got a little more space, we'll use the flooring nailer. And just continue along the room all the way. It's a little slow, it's a little tedious. Just take it one board at a time. Be sure they're tapped in nice and tight, and nail it down. And if you're getting a little bit of wiggle in the old flooring, you can also use liquid nails at the end to help you hold everything in place. But you can see here, I'm tapping that board down all the way down, and then the exposed area I'm able to hit with the floor nailer. And then this far end, I want to quickly switch to the face nailer, put a couple nails in that and hold that down in place. Switch back to the flooring nailer and then continue like that all the way across the room. And this is what it looks like when it's all done. Piece of cake. After that, we go ahead and sand it and finish it as normal. I'm not going to go into details on exactly how to do that on this video, You can take a look at some of my other videos for more details on that. But as you can see, once you sand it, it blends in basically perfectly. It looks seamless. Then in this particular job, we put a light brown stain on it, a couple top coats, and it looks fantastic. Good luck with your flooring project.